Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while. Been about 8 months. Today we're going to kind of go over the old 68 Impala.
She's back. Springtime's in the air.
I'm having spring fever.
It's time to get her back on the road.
And another one that will be coming up is right next to it, the old 78 Nova.
Getting ready to get a new motor.
The old motor's a little tired. But let's get it up in the air. Let's see what all kinds of issues we got going on with it. And then we're going to kind of just go over everything and see what we got to do to get it to a car show at the end of April. Brendan, going up with you.
Coming up.
Big one, coming up. Hold on. Oh yeah, no bootlegger, she's solid.
Solid. We got a little bit of a brake fluid leak, so we're gonna check some things out after our last adventure. We put her up for the winter and took her out, did a little cruise down the road, and yeah, we're leaking some brake fluid. She's having a little trouble stopping. She's got the go, she just don't got the stop.
She has no brakes, none.
Little sketch, but you know.
That, and I gotta do a little bit of front end work to it, which I'll show you guys that too here in just a second.
No seatbelts. We die like real men.
Good to go. Okay, so if you get in right here, you can see we definitely got a brake leak. All the fluid dripping out. But we were in a hurry and we were dumb and did not replace the wheel cylinders on the rear axle. So we will be definitely fixing that. That's been leaking for a while too, buddy.
Yeah. I think it started leaking the last time we took it out and had it down the road.
This side though, nice and dry.
We will replace it though.
Yes, we're going to go ahead and replace it.
If that one's leaking, I don't think the other one's very far behind.
Shh. Be very, very quiet. Okay, so we've got a fuel tank strap. It's not doing much of anything. We'll be fixing that. It's nothing serious, but we can fix it. So, I mean, just right here, right now, nothing too terrible. A couple small issues. Definitely gotta get that brakes fixed. Exhaust, nice and tight. Hanging in good. No major exhaust leaks that I'm seeing. Let's see here. You can come on in. We got a transmission rear seal leaking a little bit. And probably a pan gasket.
All of this was untested before we took it on the maiden voyage. We just slapped it in and went.
That is an original 1968 Turbo 400 out of a 68 Impala. The parts car to be exact.
Yep, out of the old parts car.
Along with that 12 bolt that
along with the rear end.
Pulled the rear wheel seals out. Looks like we got a little bit of a power steering leak I'll need to address. But, it's keeping it from rusting worse.
Rust prevention.
Rust prevention is crucial. So as you can see with the old tires here, this is where the big issue is. She bolted those in about 200 miles.
Yeah, we might need to adjust and tighten up a little bit.
Woo! Woo!
You found the wire, bud. You won the
yeah.
grand prize. Oh yeah, that's from where old Jake locked them up when they were on his Impala.
Oh yeah.
And it had the little flat spot there.
Yeah. It's bad.
This tire's not quite as bad, but she's close.
But I've got stuff. I'm gonna adjust the alignment. We're gonna take a coil or two out of these springs. Get this baby sucking the pavement the right way.
Sucking
the cheap way.
Don't get it right, just get it going.
Do it the roadkill way.
The roadkill way.
I see we're gonna have to address some heater core hoses because we bypassed the heater core and we just put plugs on them and they are dry cracking pretty bad.
Yeah. Figured they would.
But I'm not seeing anything real crucial. We got a little oil leak over here. Looks like possibly a valve cover gasket. Nothing serious though. It's just a little damp. Nothing bad. I ain't concerned over it.
She still drives. She still runs.
She still runs good.
So I bet she'll even do a burnout.
Oh no, she will. I already tested
We'll
that.
see.
So, well, we'll get it down. We'll kind of go over everything up top and then go from there.
Coming down, bay one.
Bay one clear?
Bay one clear. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I know we haven't been real active on the old YouTube channel, but you know, life happens. We got families. We got full-time jobs.
Oh no. Also, we started our own business after hours on top of our full-time job.
And we work part-time doing other mechanical work, so our toys have been kind of put on the back burner a little bit.
Unfortunately, with the YouTube stuff, it's got to be put on the back burner because we're not making money doing it.
Yep.
If
But
we can ever
if everybody
get to
likes
the
and
point where
subscribes, we might someday make some money at this. And then we'll
But
get
that's not what
even
I'm doing.
crazier.
I'm doing it for the fun. It's not for
We are doing it for the fun, but hey, money makes the world go around.
Okay, so if the camera guy gets up here,
Come this way, good YouTube followers.
so nothing really serious up here is leaking or anything like that I'm seeing, so that's a good sign. Everything looks to be in good shape. We threw a different battery in it because I robbed the battery out of it over winter. But we can hit the key and she'll fire right up.
Still runs good.
So now the plan. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and get some wheel cylinders, get the brakes all fixed, get the front end fixed. I got a couple new tires to put on the front end. And then after that, we're taking it to a car show. So there will be another video after this one here real shortly. We'll see you guys here after a while. And until next time.
Don't forget to do a burnout.
All right.